for creation of your customer master. One is called as account groups. Later we are going to see what you mean by partner functions. Is that clear? You're clear with your account groups, what exactly the account group is going to do?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. First thing, like we shall see how to go for creation of an account group. Just come to your SPRO main screen.
మనకి ఇక్కడ మ్యాండేటరీ ఫీల్డ్ అంటే మార్క్ ఏం చూపెట్టదు కదా సార్?
మార్క్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఒక నిమిషం చూపిస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు XG01 ఉందా, ఇది టీ కోడ్ అనుకోండి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్.
ఓకే.
సో దిస్ ఇస్ మై కస్టమర్ మాస్టర్.
కస్టమర్ మాస్టర్. ఓకే.
Here I'm not going to maintain this customer group as 01. If I'm trying to not enter any kind of data, if I'm trying to shipping data, it's saying that enter this customer group, fill all the required entries. Nothing but a check mark is there. You can see this check mark. This check mark is called as a mandatory entry.
Okay.
So this one is called as a gray mode. Nothing in it. It is only in the display mode. We can't do any changes or we can't delete anything over there. That's the reason it is called as gray mode. And whatever the things you are seeing over here, this is called as a mandatory entry. And the white boxes, whatever the white boxes you are seeing, these are called as optional entries.
We can. Okay.
If you don't want, like for example, you don't want this pricing group to be getting appeared over here, that is called as suppress entries. Hiding the
But there will be some data in it.
There will be no kind of backup.
Like,
nothing will be maintained for a particular customer. If you don't want to, for a particular account group, if you don't want to maintain any kind of data, it's going to be hidden. We can't maintain any kind of data. Later we need to activate that field and we need to maintain that data. I'm going to show you step by step how to go for creation of your account groups and how it's going to reflect in your customer master. Okay. So for this purpose only, we are going for creation of our account groups. So for that purpose, just come. So get into your SPRO. Then after SAP reference IMG. Now it's an, as I told you, your account groups will be created by your FI module guys. Just get into your financial accounting new, this area. Then after, get into your account receivables and payables. Here you can see your customer accounts. This is a place where you're going to create your account groups. Creation of your master data. So here you can see preparation for creation of your customer master data. When you click on drop down button, you're going to see the first step, define account groups with screen layout customers. This is the place where you're going to create your account groups. So the T code for that is OBD2. You can use OBD2 T code straight away if you don't want to do anything for creation of your account group. OBD2 is a T code. It will be taking you to the same screen. OBD2. It will be coming to your main screen. That's it. Instead of following by the path, you don't want to follow it by a path, you need to remember your T code. The T code for creation of your account groups is nothing but OBD2. Here, I'm going to create my new account group. That's the reason. Click on new entries. When you click on new entries, it's asking me what is the account group name. I'm going to maintain it at HUL and name. Nothing but your description. No need of maintaining it one-time account or output determination. Nothing is maintained. And you can see your field status over here. Normally, your customer master is going to store in 3 tables. Nothing but it is called as an company code data, First thing will be coming as general data, company code data, then after your sales area data. In general data, normally it is only like your communication address, all the data related to your communication will be stored, your postal address and what is the name of that, everything will be stored in your general data. Your company code data, anything related to your company will be stored over here. Your payment terms, in what manner you are going to pay your amount to your company, to bank accounts, all that details will be maintained in your company code data. Sales area, nothing but your delivery, how you are going to deliver the goods to your customer, your pricing, your billing, your payment terms, all those data will be stored in sales area data. Later we are going to discuss in details about these things. So account groups is going to control whatever the fields are there in your general data, company code data and sales area data. So that's the reason we are having three options over here: general data, company code data and sales data. If you double click on any of these things, general data, so in your address tab, the number of tabs will be getting appear while when you go for creation of your customer master. So select for example your address tab, the first one what we have saw. So here you can see different options over here: suppress, required entry, optional entry and display. If you are going to select your name first, name one as a display mode, you can't do any editing, whether like you can't write or you can't do change anything, only in the display mode. In optional mode, it's your wish. If you want to maintain any kind of data, you can maintain. Required entry, if you're going for putting it as a required entry, then that means all the time if you're trying to skip without entering any kind of data in a particular field, then system is going to throw you an error message saying that maintain all the required entry over there. And suppress is nothing but if you want to hide a particular field in while going for creation of your customer master, you can use this suppress. So right now I'm not going to do any kind of changes over here. Just come back and that's it. Just go for new entries, maintain your account group, a code for your account group and a name for your account groups. Then click on save. It will be asking for a prompt request. Click on continue. Now, why we need these account groups? To segregate your customers. For example, you are having different kinds of customers. Your domestic customers will be there, your export customers will be there. Then how you need to know whether he is going to be a domestic customer or an export customer. On what basis you will be knowing that one. For that purpose, your account groups is going to help you whether it is going to be a domestic customer or it's going to be an export customer. So for that purpose, we shall maintain this one as a domestic. For all our domestic customers, I'm going to use HUL1 account group. For my export customers, I'm going to use different account group. In the same way as I've gone for creation of my domestic customers, in the same way I'm going for a new entries. I'm going to maintain HUL1 and this is one is for my export customers. I'm maintaining two different account groups. One is for my domestic and one is for my exports. Now click on save. Your data has been saved. Nothing but we have created two account groups. One is for your domestic and one is for your exports. This is how you go for creation of your account groups. Now, in a company, you will be having thousands of customers. Now, how you are going to manage all that thousands of customers? By allocating a different number to each and every customer. That's the reason we need to know how to go for creation of number ranges. So all these number ranges will be again done by your FI consultant, but we need to know how to go for creation of this number ranges. Without knowing this, how to go for creation of your number ranges, it's not going to work out. So for creation of a number ranges, You can follow the path SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, accounts receivable and account payables, customer accounts, master data, preparations for creating customer master data. Here you can follow this step over there. Define, assign number ranges to your customer account groups. Here you can see two steps over here. Create number ranges for your customer accounts. Then you need to assign that number ranges to your customer account groups. First step, we are going to follow this step. Create number ranges for your customer account groups. So the T code for creation of your number ranges will be XTN1. Okay, and here you can see you are able to see three windows, like three tabs over here, your intervals, status and intervals. If you are going to click on this intervals, nothing but everything will be in your display mode itself. You can't do anything over there. So we try to avoid all the time, because you can see by the name itself, display number range interval. Whatever the intervals are there, it's going to show you. So here we are going to use the last option, that is called as insert intervals or maintain your intervals. So click on this change intervals. You can see everything is in your editable mode. We are not going to choose anything from the existing. Only thing, we are going to insert a new entry for our intervals. Click on this intervals. You can see at your topmost left hand side, first tab, insert intervals. Click on that one. So it will be asking what is the name for your number range. For example, I'm going to maintain HH for my domestic, and from which number to which number you want to maintain the number ranges for your HH number. So click on this math code. So whatever the available numbers are there, the system is going to prompt you. You can select from that number ranges. For example, I'm going for selection by 22601 to, this is called from number to this number, 8 followed by 4 nines. So it's getting copied over there. Here I'm not going to use not more than 100 numbers. One, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to change it to 700. Now my company is going to have only 100 customers. In the same way, you can maintain for rest of the things. Inside that number ranges over there and click on enter. Then click on save. If you want to check whether your number ranges are existed or not, come down and check your HH is there, which is starting from 22601 to 22700. Okay. In the same way, if you want to maintain a new number range for your export customers, again click on insert interval. H1 is my number range name. I'm selecting a new number range from 701. Just going to remove it. I'm going to maintain 100 numbers for my export customers from my H1 number range. Then after, click on enter and save it. So here you can see for my H1, it starts from 22701 and it's at 22800. This is how you go for creation of.
If you want, we can. If you want, you can change in the middle also, sir. With these number ranges and all account groups.
What you want to change it?
Like, what are your conditions now you have put into our customer group?
Okay.
That can be changed in the middle also, like after creating a master data also.
After creation of master data, you can change it, but it's not going to be a good practice, because we already started one set of series. getting allocated for a specific account groups. If you follow another number ranges, you're already gone for creation of your master data. That means you are doing some kind of configuration. So it's not going to be a good practice. For that's the reason you need to proper document it, how you want your number ranges should be and what should be the account groups. Then we go for configuration.
Okay.
Because like all the times we can't do like for 10 customers, you can't maintain one account group. For again 10 customers, you can't maintain another account group. So that's the reason. First thing, we need to know how many account groups we need to create and what should be the number ranges for each and every account group.
Okay.
We can't
And then, okay. In real situation, will the client do all these things, or shall we go and do it for every customer he gets?
All this configuration will be done by the consultant, not by the client.
Like if any new customer comes after implementing our SAP, then
After,
he
like,
has to
for
create all
example,
those things.
your H1 is there. Already we maintain only 100 number ranges. Now 101 customer is coming. Then you need to increase your number range over here. Nothing but your FI consultant will be getting over here and he is going to insert a new interval and is going to increase the number.
Okay. So every time the client asks for our help, once the SAP is implemented also.
Yeah, like all these things will be coming under your support project. If anything is getting changed over here, for example, already 100 customers are there with the company. Now we want to go for creation of the one customer. When it's trying to enter the data, the system is giving a prompt message. There are no existing number range. Number ranges are already finished. Now what you want me to do? Then after you need to take a screenshot of that particular error and you need to send it to your implementation partner company and he will be solving that error. He's going to come over to this screen, he's going to maintain that number ranges and is going to provide you. When you go for creation of an customer master, your number is going to get triggered on.
And once we implement to the client, we will be training to them, sir. Like
now how I am giving training to you? How I am giving training to you, in the same way I need to give training to my customers because he don't know anything about SAP. He's new to the SAP.
That's right.
So that's the reason I need to know, tell him like how to go for an initial each and every step, like how to go for creation your customer master, how to raise your sales order, do the delivery, do the billing. I need to teach him all those things.
But they will do it at the end user screen, no?
Yeah, that is called as end user training. So as a consultant, we need to know all the steps, but for end users, we are not going to explain it like how to go for inserting this number ranges and everything. We are not going to explain.
That is not required for them.
Yeah, not required. Because like we are responsible for doing all the configuration part over here. Only thing they need to know how to go for creation your customer. That's it. Backend, whatever happening at the backend, they don't want to know. We are not authorized to explain what all steps involved. If you're going to explain, imagine if you're going to explain them all the steps, how to go for creation your customer master, what are the pre-requirements, everything, then why he needs you? It's not going to pay you, right?
He will implement this one.
Yeah, he's only going to implement SAP. He's going to do all the configuration. He will be running all his transactions. Everything will be completed. No need of a consultant over there. So that's the reason your consultant role will be limited and your end user role will be limited. Okay. Yeah. Just come back to subject now. Like once we go for creation of your number ranges, click on save. Come back. Now next step is nothing but we need to link this number ranges to your account groups. Otherwise, how the system is going to know whether for which account groups you are going for specific number ranges. That is called as assigning of number ranges to your specific account group. Come back and we are going to assign number ranges to your customer account groups. Whatever account groups we have created, for that specific account group, we are going to insert our whatever number ranges we have created in our last step. Assign number ranges to your customer account groups. Nothing but the T code for going for creation of assigning your number ranges to your account groups is OBD2. So here it is not getting triggered over here. Sorry, OBAR. If you click on OBAR, it will be coming into the same screen.
Okay.
/n OBAR. Assign customer account groups to your number ranges. Here only thing, we need to click on position and enter our account group. You can see over here for domestics and for one export we have created 2 account groups. Here we need to insert our number ranges, whatever the number ranges we created. Control F. So HH and H1 is the 2 number ranges what we created. For my domestic customer, I'm going to insert my HH number range, and for my export customers, I'm going to insert H1 number range. Now click on save. Data was saved. Come back. That's how you go for creation of your account groups, and you are going to assign your number ranges. Nothing but your account groups will be maintained in your T code OBD2, where you're going for creation of your account groups. Then after, you need to go for creation of your number ranges, which will be maintained in XDN1. Then after, we need to assign number ranges to your account group, which will be maintained in your OBAR code. Once you finish all these 3 steps, then one of the requirement for creation of your customer master is fulfilled. So next comes, you're clear with how to go for creation of your account groups, number ranges, and assigning it?
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yep. Now comes your partner functions, how to go for creation of your partner functions. In SAP standard we are going to use 4 partner functions. One is called as sold to party. One is called ship to party.
Ship to party.
And one is called bill to party. And one is called peer. Whenever you go for creation of your customer master, you need to have these 4 partner functions. Nothing but all this together, we are going to call it as a partner function. Your sold to party, your ship to party, your bill to party, and peer. For shortcut, you're going to call him as an SP. Your ship to party, you're going to call it as SH. Bill to party, you're going to call BP. And for payer, you're going to call PY. Notation given for each and every partner function.
What is the difference, sir?
So for example, what you mean by a sold to party is nothing but who placed the order to the company is called as sold to party. Because for example, you are in charge for placing the order all the time. So you will be called as a sold to party. And your friend is only responsible for receiving the goods, whatever the incoming goods are there. We are going to call him as a ship to party. And one person will be responsible for receiving all the bills. We are going to call him as a bill to party. And whatever the bills he received is going to send all that bills to your finance department, and finance department is going to pay all that bills, your accountant. He will be calling, we are going to call him as a payer.
Okay.
I'm just going to show you. For creation of your customer master, as I told you, you need to know what are the business partners involved. So we are going to follow 4 business partners. One is called as sold to party, one is called as ship to party, one is called as bill to party, and one is called as payer. So coming to each and every functionality of each and everything. What do you mean by each and sold to party, shipped to party, bill to payer. I'm going to say that one. By default, in your customer master, you will be following all this all this partner function. All this partner function will be getting displayed in your customer master. We need to know how to go for creation of this partner function. Now, who is going to be your sold to party? Customer that orders the goods, nothing but who is placing the order to the company, he will be called as a sold to party. The same way, who is going to be called as your shipped to party? Party that received the goods. Because you will be having you're placing your order from your Chennai location and you want that order to be dispatched to your Hyderabad location. In Hyderabad, there should be a point of contact person who will be receiving the goods, right? For that reason, we are going to call him as a shipped to party. And whatever the invoice the company need to send, you will be sending it to different locations, to your Bangalore location. So that's the reason we are going to call it as a bill to party. The party is going to receive all the bills. So once they receive the bills, they need to do payment to the company. The person who is doing the payment, we are going to call it as a payer. Party that sends the payment to the company.
So for a single customer, we will have these four different persons.
Not for Indian customer also. For any of the customer master, you need to have this four combination, four partner functions. Your sold to party, shipped to party, bill to party, and payer.
Okay. Will if we have it.
Take a simple example. Okay. You are placing an order for your company. Okay. And that's the reason we are going to call you as a sold to party.
Okay.
Now you will be giving me an address where you want to send that goods. For example, you want me to send the goods to America.
Okay.
In America, there should be an person who is authorized to receive the goods. Straight away, he can't accept the goods, right? Without informing anything if you want him to accept the goods, he is going to accept it. That's the reason we are going to capture that address as well in your customer. That is called as your shipped party. Party that received the goods. Now, your billing should be sent to your head office. Your head office is in Mumbai. And who is going to receive the bills is called as bill to party. And all your payment will be released from your Chennai department. And who is going to pay the amount to the company is called as a payer. So that's the reason we need to have all these four partner functions. Who is placing the order, who is going to receive the delivery, who is going to receive the bills, and who is going to pay the amount. For example, you are placing an order of 100 quantity of laptops and you want your company delivered 25 pieces to Chennai, 25 pieces to Mumbai, 25 pieces to Bangalore, 25 pieces to Kochi. That means we need to maintain four partner functions, four ship to party addresses, right? We need to give four ship to party addresses to the company, then only they are going to dispatch 25 quantity to respective destinations, right?
Different areas.
Yeah. You need to know who is going to be your ship to party. All that data will be maintained while creation of your customer master.
Okay.
So that's the reason we need to know all these four partner functions. Sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and pay. Is that clear, or you have any kind of doubt?
Okay. Clear.
Okay. So we are going to see four partner functions: sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and pay all the time. And in your partner function, sold to party is the highest level. He is the highest level and is called all the what do you call it? Authority, maximum authority will be given to your sold to party. Rest of the things are not mandatory, but your sold to party is going to be a mandatory function.
Okay.
So that we shall see how to go for creation of this partner function. First step, we need for creation of this partner function determination, we need to follow one kind of procedure. We call it as a partner determination procedure. So we shall see first step how to go for creation of a partner determination. So nothing but we are going to place one name for your partner determination procedure. We are going to create a partner determination procedure. For that purpose, get into your SAP Easy Access, SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Now we are coming into our sales part. Till now we are looking into our enterprise structure. Once you finished off, then comes your sales and distribution. As a sales consultant, all the time you will be working in this area. So all the times you will be working in this area, your sales and distribution area. This is a kind of master data. So like if you get into your basic functions, you can see a lot of things over there. Different activities should be carried out. So here we are going to follow first step, your partner determination. So set up your partner determination. At what level you want to go for creation of your partner function, your partner determination. I'm going for creation of my partner determination at customer master level. So set up partner determination for your customer master. First step I'm going to execute it. Now, as I told you, the first step we need to do is like go for creation of your partner determination procedure. The simple thing, just get into new entries, enter your determination name. That's it. Choose the key from the allow nameplate. This is you are getting anything in your allow mode, nothing but this is called as a warning message. It's not going to be a big problem for us. You can click on continue. Nothing but hit on enter. One entry has been chosen. Nothing but we have maintained one kind of an entry, HUL partner determination name and description for that one. Now click on save. It will be asking me a prompt request. From continue. So we have gone for creation of your partner determination procedure. Nothing but we have created your HUL as your partner determination procedure name. Now what is the second step? In your partner determination procedure, you need to keep all these 4 steps. Nothing but your sold to party, your ship to party, your bill to party, and your payer. So we are going to insert all these partner functions in our partner determination procedure. So let's come back, select your partner determination procedure and insert your partner functions in procedure. Second step we are following. Here everything is in the gray mode. Now that means we can't do any editing or we can't insert any kind of data over there. That's the reason. Click on this option, you can see change or display mode. When you click on it, the system is going to no entry spawn for that. Yeah. Here it is in the change mode. If you click on it, it will be in the display mode. Get into your change mode and click on new entries. Here for your partner determination procedure, what are the partner functions you want to enter? You need to enter. You can see in this column name is called as partner functions. Enter your sold party, your ship to party, your bill to party, and your payer. So we have assigned our 4 partner functions in your partner determination procedure. Now you can see 2 options over here, not relevant and mandatory. So as I told you, not modifiable. Your sold party cannot be modifiable because it's the highest level in your partner determination function and it is going to be a mandatory function. Rest of the things I'm going to maintain as the mandatory I'm not going to maintain it as not modifiable. Everything can be modifiable, but your sold to party cannot be modified all the time. Your ship to party, if you have multiple ship to address, you can modify it. If you have multiple bill to party address, you can modify it. If you have multiple peers for settling that invoice, you can maintain it. But your sold to party cannot be changed. All the times, only one person will be responsible for placing an order to the company. That's the reason we are going to keep it not modifiable, and rest of it we are going to keep it as a mandatory function over here. Once you maintain that one, click on save. So we have successfully insert all your partner functions now in your partner determination procedure. Then what is the next step? Here, partner determination procedure assignment. Before this, we have seen how to go for creation of your account groups. So here we need to assign our partner determination procedure to our account groups. Nothing but your account group is there, right? HUL and HUL1. For that thing, we are going to insert your partner determination procedure name. This is for your domestic, and this is for your export. In this step, we are going to assign everything. Come back. Select your partner determination procedure name, HUL. Select it, and partner determination procedure assignment. Otherwise, you can go for this step over here, account groups assignment, partner determination procedure assignment. Here, for your account groups, you need to maintain your partner determination procedure name. Click on position, select your account group, HUL. For my domestic customers, I'm entering my partner determination procedure name. If you can't remember your partner determination procedure name, click on this button. You will be getting what all the partner determination procedures are there. Select it from your drop down. Here you can see your HUL is there. I'm going to select it. Click on enter. Save it. That means indirectly all these partner functions are getting assigned to your account groups at the moment. Next step will be assigning all your partner functions to your account group. Come back. I'm selecting my partner determination procedure name. Now I'm going to go for this step, account groups functional assignment. Now click on new entries, enter your partner functions and your account group. Same way for all your 4 partner functions, maintain the same thing. For your account group HUL, you are maintaining 4 partner functions. Now click on save. That's it. So in the next step, we are seeing assign partner functions to respective account groups. So to your HUL account group, you're assigning your sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and your pay. Is that clear? I'm just going to explain it once again. back. So whenever you log in, get into your display IMG mode. Now get into your sales and distribution part. Here we need to follow partner determination procedure. So select this option, partner determination. It will be having only one option, set up partner determination procedure. Execute that activity, and here you will be seeing setting up of partner determination at various levels. We are working right now at your customer master level. Go for set up partner determination for your customer master. Select it. Now first step is nothing but maintain your partner determination procedure name. So I'm going to follow the path. First thing, I'm going to maintain this partner determination procedure name. For HUL I have created. In the same way, I'm going for new procedure HUL1. For my export customer. Enter the name, partner determination name, click on enter. It will be asking you if you want to do any kind of changes, you can do, otherwise save the data. Once you enter your partner determination procedure name, click on save. Now finish with it. Now in this partner determination procedure, we need to maintain all your partner functions, nothing but your second step. What all the partner functions are there, we are going to maintain in your partner determination procedure. So select your partner determination procedure and maintain your partner functions in procedure. Click on this activity, click on new entries and maintain all your partner functions. So as I told you, your sold to party cannot be modifiable, not modifiable, and it is going to be a mandatory entry. We are going to check that. And rest of the things is only a mandatory entry.
Mandatory.
I'm maintaining that one. Now click on save.
Save.
Now establish your link getting established between all your partner functions and your partner determination procedure. Right? Up to here it's clear for you or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now what is the next step we are going to follow? Nothing but partner determination procedure assignment. Here what we are doing, to your account groups you are assigning your partner determination procedure. Nothing but we are performing this activity, whatever the account groups you have created. We have created two account groups, one is for domestic and one is for export. For domestic it is HUL, and for your export the HUL1 is there. So we are going assigning of that partner determination procedure to your respective account groups. So partner determination account assignment. Click on position, get into your account group HUL1. This is my export account groups. For that I'm going to assign my respective partner determination procedure name HUL1. Maintaining that data, clicking on enter and saving it. Now what is the next step? For my account groups, I'm going to maintain my partner function. Nothing but assigning all your partner functions to your account groups now. Account groups functional assignment. Now click on your entries, enter your partner functions, SH, SP, everything, and your account group. SH, HUL1, EP, HUL1, PY, HUL1. Now click on save. Once you click on save, all your partner functions has been assigned to your account groups. With this, we have completed our partner determination procedure. Is that clear?
No.
Okay, only 3 steps we need to follow over here. First thing, we need to go for creation of your partner determination procedure and once you create your partner determination procedure, for that partner determination procedure, what all partner functions you want to insert, we are going to assign it. This is the first step. Then after, we are going to assign all your to your account group, we are going to assign your partner determination procedure name. Once we done that one, for your account groups, your respective account groups, we are going to assign your partner functions. Simple. So once you go for this, then after we shall see how to go for, once all the pre-requirements has been fulfilled now. For your account groups, they are clear, your partner functions has been clear. Then we shall see how to go for creation of our customer master. The next class we shall see how to go for your customer master. I just want to stop it over here. Try to practice till here. In the later classes we shall see how to go for creation of your customer master.